Okay, so we're gonna start today, Lily, with learning to do the group signs. You already know the group signs, the strong ones, but you had asked that if you could make yourself some flashcards to review them. So that's what we're gonna do today. So I got you some brown paper with blank cells on it, and so let's go through and see which ones you remember first. Yeah, there's nothing on there, so can't
Do I
cheat.
need
Not yet. Let's go through them first and see which ones you remember. All right. Can you tell me what CH?
isn't it a 1-6?
Okay. SH.
Uh, a one.
If you don't know,
A
say
one.
I'm
two,
not sure.
A 1, 2, 3, 4.
Nope.
A 1.
Well,
3,
don't
4.
keep going and
I want to
asking.
know though.
Oh my gosh. How about it is a 3, 5, 6. SH. 3, 5, 6. Does that? Do you remember? All right. What about TH?
I know, isn't it a 1, 2, 3, 4?
Nope.
What?
It is not. It is a 1, 4,
4, 5, 6.
4, 5, 6.
Oh.
Good. I remember that one. Just because it's a reverse P for some reason.
Yeah,
I don't know.
That's the one I had. That's how I remembered it.
Because it's a reverse P. So, all right. What about WH?
I don't remember.
How about a 1, 5, 6? OU? Do you remember OU?
Wait, isn't that a backwards T? So 1, 2, 5, 6.
There you go. Good. ST?
That's a 4, 5.
A 4, 5? Look where you did
I
with
mean,
your
a
fingers.
3, 5. A 3.
Look at your fingers where you were pointing. You pointed correctly, said it wrong. All right, GH.
I don't remember.
1, 2, 6. ED.
I should know this one, but I don't remember.
1, 2, 4, 6. ER.
I know this. If only I had a brow writer to put my fingers on it.
Well, think about the Braille writer. Okay, so you know we got these. So think about the Braille writer.
This is a crappy marker.
How about a cruddy marker?
It's a
Or
crappy-
not a great marker, or
It's a bad marker.
there we go. Better choice of words. Okay, so is that going to help you, having that there? Okay, so we're at ER.
Everything but the 4?
You're almost there. Everything but 3.
Okay.
Does that make sense? OW.
Mm-hmm.
Backwards O. So show me an O. Okay, now do it backwards. There you go. And the reason I remember that is because it's a backwards O and it's OW. AR.
Isn't that a 5 or a 1, 5, 6? Or a 2, 3, 4?
You're guessing. 3, 4, 5.
Okay.
Okay. And then ING.
I don't remember.
3, 4, 6. So it's a good thing that we're going through these again because these are the ones that you don't remember. So I printed off one of the Braille sheets for you. And I know this is really super duper small. And I know you're not going to be able to see this very well. Do you have your magnifier with you?
Here.
Okay, why don't you get your magnifier out? Or do you have your iPad with you?
Mm-hmm.
The other thing you could do is you can take a picture and then you can use that as your magnifier, which you will probably get it bigger with your iPad than you will your, and you won't have to keep moving it. So I think the iPad would probably be a better. What do you think?
Mhm.
You want me to move this forward so you can see it better? I'll move that one out of the way. That way you can take a picture. Now what you're wanting today are your strong group signs. So it's this right here is what you're looking for, okay?
So these.
From here to there. Okay. We're able to get that? Perfect. So, why don't you go ahead and you can make yourself flashcards. Now, each one of these is a sale, okay? So, you can get some color pencils out, and as you're doing them, what I would like for you to do is tell me the dots that you're going to be coloring in with them, okay? So, for example, CH, as you do it, I want you to tell me which ones you're going to color in. So for CH, what are you going to color in?
1 and 6.
Okay.
SH,
Yes, ma'am.
which is a 1, 4, 6.
There you go. I like yours better. I can see it better.
What?
On your iPad. This one came out really small.
Mm-hmm.
All right, next one.
TH.
All right, now, here's my question. You've colored in your dots, but are you going to remember which ones they are?
I'm gonna put it on the back.
Well, could you put them up here?
Mm-hmm.
Just to save time for right now. And then if you make your...
Put them under.
Okay, under's fine too. So then when you cut them out, you can cut them on the line and you'll still know which ones they are.
Mm-hmm.
All right, next one. What's the next one?
The next one is TH, which is a 1, 4, 5, 6. I put that there.
It doesn't matter. Just label it so you know, and then just put the WH over there. They really don't have to be in any order. They do not have to be in the same order that they're going down. So,
Right. WH is a 1, 5, 6.
okay. What's next?
Oh, you?
Good. I like the way that you magnified that a little bit more for yourself.
Which is a 1, 2, 5, 6.
1, 2, 5, 6.
Every time I blink, my left eye hurts because I have a bruise right here.
What did you do? Nothing. You don't know.
Probably slept funny or something.
You probably were out in the woods, and did you whack yourself again? Out in the woods.
No. ST is a 5, 4. No. I know no words, okay?
You know where it is, but you didn't say it correctly.
Yeah.
Okay, so say it correctly.
It's a 3, 4.
Okay, there you go. Next one.
GH.
Okay.
Which is a 1, 2, 6.
Perfect. Now look at the GH and the AR. What do you notice about the two of them?
They're backwards.
They are.
Opposites.
Good.
ED. 1, 2. I think looking at these is probably going to help me now.
Yeah.
1, 2.
I'm curious if you still remember the but can do words.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. So, and we're gonna go through all of these, but
Mhm.
these are the ones that you had made the comment the last time we saw each other that you just couldn't remember them. So
These ones are the but can't do words.
these,
Because I can remember
yeah.
ER. Everything but the dot 3.
hmm How do you feel about the short form words like the dot fives?
I think I might be able to remember a couple because we studied a lot last year,
Right.
but not a lot. Like a few, maybe not all of them.
Okay. So that might be where we need to go next.
Like little and letter, I can remember those.
Yeah.
And
What
stuff like
about
that.
about and above?
AB and ABV.
Okay. So
I think when I hear them, it'll probably help.
it'll jog the memory.
Mhm.
Okay. Good. We're also going to do some reading. I know it's not your favorite. I know, but and we're also gonna do some brailing.
Brailling's okay with me.
I know you like to braille. And then the other piece that we're gonna start that's gonna be new this year is that self advocacy piece. Now, when I talked to your mom yesterday, you advocate very well for yourself in the classrooms.
Mm-hmm.
And last year at your IEP meeting, you advocated very well for yourself again.
Mm-hmm.
But I really want you to understand that document, that thing that's called an IEP, because it's just going to help you when you get to high school even more. Okay. I mean, it probably to the point that you're going to you're going to be able to run your own IEP meetings with the help of me or whoever is your case manager at the time.
Mm-hmm.
So, because going to high school, there is a chance that you might get a new case manager.
No.
Yeah.
I don't like new people.
I know. And I mean, that's something we can talk about later. Okay. So it's nothing that's going to happen this year. You're stuck with me this year, kiddo.
That's not a bad thing, though.
All right. OW.
To.
It's a backwards what?
O.
Backwards O.
AR, which is upside down backwards S.
Well, yeah, I guess that's one way of looking at it. I would never remember that.
That's how I always remembered it last year.
Then if that's the way you remember it, that's the way we'll go with it.
But for your sake, it's a 3, 4, 5.
Thank you. Okay, last one, which is good because time's almost up.
That was really quick.
I know.
I needed to work on science today.
Not today. All right, ing. Last one. Let's do it.
ing. It's a 3, 4, 6.
Okay, perfect. All right. So what I want you to do is I want you to take these home. Because of the way the schedule is, because we don't have school Friday and we start again, I get to see you next week again. Because next Thursday will be AB day, so I get to come again and see you. So next Thursday, you're gonna have a short quiz. I know, but this is what it is gonna be.
Okay.
Are just these, okay? So take this home and study it, and then I want to start on the lower group signs with you and the lower word signs. All right.
Okay.
All right. So, do you have any questions?
No.
All right. And is everything going okay with school?
Yeah.
Yeah. Grades are looking fabulous. I saw them.
Wouldn't let them.
I know you wouldn't let them get any lower than what they are. You probably aren't really happy with a couple of them.
Mm-mm.
Yeah.
These are just irritating.
Yeah. So I'm really proud of you for your grades and keeping them up. Anything else? What about Spanish?
Spanish is good.
Okay.
We went on a field trip yesterday.
I heard. I saw that on the email. All right. You want to tell my professor bye?
Bye.
Bye. We can wave at her.
Adios.